Welcome to Learning Python with ChatGPT series. Let's start with the environment setup first so that you can play around while learning, then we will focus on data types. Please follow the installation steps to set up your environment, or you can install any Python IDE available on App Store or Play Store. I am using Python CodePad. Let's start with simple Hello World application. Now let's move on to data types and variables. If you like our video, please hit like, share and subscribe our channel to get more such amazing contents.